everyone. Welcome to Brown Girls Happy Hour. Today we are going to make a new cocktail dedicated to Meryl Streep. And let's wait for Daman to join and then we can get started. I think she is going to join now. Uh, yeah, she is here.
Hello,
Hi, Daman. How are you?
good. How are you? Happy
I
New
am
Year.
good. Yes, Happy New Year. So excited for 2021.
I'm not so sure. I don't feel it's any different so far. If anything, it's like worse. Just today, somebody sent me news of how a Kaiser hospital has so many cases. So I'm like, okay, this is just 2020 part two happening here.
Yeah, I think cases have definitely increased in California. That's true.
Well,
But like this is
yeah,
the year of hope after ultimate hopelessness. So 2021 has brought some hope with it. Let's see what
sure. Ho
happens.
Hope is good. So, keep
Yeah,
hoping.
yeah. Okay, so today we are going to make a drink dedicated to Meryl Streep. And should we get started?
Oh, yes, I'm already here. So this
Oh,
is a
nice.
bourbon-based drink, and to start, you will need a shaker with some ice in it, and about a shot and a half of bourbon, or maybe like a larger shot glass like this one. And then you need about half a shot glass of lemon juice. And then it's
Okay.
set for like a cinnamon syrup, which is like how you make simple syrup with sugar and water, just add some cinnamon to it. I didn't do the effort because I already had simple syrup. So I'm just gonna add half a shot of simple syrup and a little bit of cinnamon powder on top. Now, the
Okay.
recipe from the book says that you need to add sparkling cider to it. I did not have it and I'm not going out. So
Yeah,
we'll just stick to with it.
I didn't have sparkling cider, so I'm going to just add Stella, my
Yeah, I also
favorite.
have a beer, so I don't know how that will taste. So first, just shake all of this.
Oh,
Um,
okay.
and then you get a glass with ice, a lot of ice in it, and pour your bourbon, lemon, cinnamon mixture in it. Although I do think it'll taste really good with cider because, you know, cinnamon and apple goes really
Yeah,
well together. So maybe I'll
right.
make it again someday when I have cider. For today, I'm just gonna open a beer and just, top off the rest.
Right. It
Okay.
does look good. It looks like like a slushy sort of.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Let's hope it tastes good.
Yeah.
All right, cheers.
Yes.
It is good.
Oh,
I
yes, it
like
is
it.
good.
Yeah, I don't
I
miss any
love,
cider or anything.
I can imagine with cider it'll taste amazing. But I made the cinnamon syrup because I had cinnamon sticks and all. So it like that taste of a little bit of cinnamon, it is
Yeah,
so good. Yeah.
really good. Okay,
Mm.
so definitely one of the favorites, I would say.
Yes, yes, definitely up there. Up there with the last drink that we made. I really love that drink. I made it yesterday as well.
Oh,
With
the Cindy Sherman one.
yeah, right.
Yeah, I made it after, but I think we have a lot in our collection now. So I keep experimenting with new ones.
Yeah.
So this drink is dedicated to Meryl Streep, and somehow I feel like we don't need to talk about it today because I feel like everyone would already know her.
Yes. I mean,
So
who doesn't know Meryl Streep, right? Like she is one of, I'm sure, like no one would say anything bad about Meryl Streep, like she's a great actress.
yeah, and even if you don't like her, I think you still know of her. So I am
Mm.
at loss of words for today's happy hour in terms of like, talking about the woman. So I guess we should
Yeah.
switch gears to movies instead.
Yeah. What is your favorite movie?
I think I really liked her in Devil Wears Prada. Also was one of the first Meryl Streep movies for me.
Yes, Devil Wears Prada was one of the first Hollywood movies ever that I have watched.
Oh,
Like,
really?
yeah, I think for usually for Indians, I guess like our generation, Titanic is the first movie that they have watched.
Probably.
Yeah, but for me, Devil Wears Prada was the first one, and I loved her so much even before I knew her name. And I wanted to be like her, you know. I was like, if I could even look like, 2% of what she looks like.
I know she was all the fashion goals in that movie. I mean, she
Yeah.
is sort of a negative character, but you don't mind because of her acting, I guess, because she's so strong in that.
Yeah, I know. And her elegance, oh my God, it's on another level.
So, is this your favorite Meryl Streep movie?
Yeah, of course, like Devil Wears Prada is right up there. But I also really liked Bridges of Madison County. I like that movie because, of that the romance that this guy and Meryl Streep has. When I watched it, I wanted to have that kind of a romance, but once you get married, it's like whatever, I guess.
I hope Gagan isn't watching this. But I actually haven't watched that movie. But
Oh, okay, you should watch it.
you're making me want to, so I'll find it. Recently,
Yes.
I did like her in what was that movie? The Little Women. She had a small role, but I really liked her in that.
Oh, I haven't watched Little Women. I've heard about it a lot. Is it a
I
good movie?
I didn't like the new movie overall so much, even though there's Meryl Streep in it, and in that movie I like her. But if you haven't seen the movie, I would say watch the older one with
Okay.
Christian Bale and I forgot everyone else's names, but yeah, watch that one.
Okay. I'll watch that one then. Yeah, I've been wanting to watch Little Women. I also haven't read the book, Little Women.
I started it. It's very like classic old English type, so I just didn't finish it. It's still sitting on
Hmm.
my Kindle, so I keep thinking because I bought it that it's always there. I can always come back to it, but my library books take precedence always. So, I never get back to it.
Yeah. Okay. So, and then one other movie of Meryl Streep that I really liked is Mamma Mia.
Oh,
Have you
yeah.
seen that one?
Yes.
I
Have you seen
loved
the
it.
Indian version of it?
What?
So I think we probably were in school or like, first year of college or something when that movie came out. So Rekha is playing that mother who has like slept with three men and doesn't know who the father is for sure. And it's I think it's exactly the same story they've taken. But I
Okay.
think remembering that now, I still feel scandalized because of the way everyone was talking about that movie. Like, oh God, like Rekha is portraying what kind of a woman who like sleeps with different men, doesn't even know who the father of the child is. It's
Wait,
such a scandal.
was I in this world? I have no idea about this Indian movie.
I don't think it was a very successful or even like A-list movie. All the actors were kind of
Of
trashy.
course.
I think Hrithik Roshan's father was in it, one of the contenders for the
Oh.
father. Just a
Hmm.
weird cast.
Okay, now you are making me want to watch that Indian movie, where
Go find it. It's something like Mummy something, Mummy number one, or Mummy, Mummy the Great, like something like that.
Oh, interesting. Okay. Yeah, I was actually going to go watch Mamma Mia, after this because I saw it on Netflix today.
Oh,
So,
really?
yeah,
Okay,
I was
I
like, I
need to
could watch.
find that too. I've been looking for something to do today, so I guess maybe that should be my next thing.
I know, just because, I'm also so sad that work is starting tomorrow and, that whole grind again. Like,
Why did you remind me of that?
I'm sorry.
I was so happy in my happy hour, Kathy. You didn't have to do that.
No, no, just think about cinnamon and beer and bourbon and Meryl Streep tonight.
I think then I need to make the most of the next, what, 3 or 4 hours, and I'm definitely watching a movie.
Yes, yeah, yeah, yeah. Watch Mamma Mia. Oh, this Bridges of Madison County is also on Netflix, by the way.
Oh,
So if
okay.
you watch
Maybe
it.
that's the one I will watch.
Yeah,
You go watch
yeah,
Mamma Mia.
yeah. Okay.
All right then. Cheers. Enjoy the
Cheers.
rest of your evening.
Yeah. Bye.